again. I'm on my own today. I've driven to just outside Grays near Lakeside Shopping Centre. I'm at Davy Down, Urban Riverside Park. It's an hour-and-a-half walk and it's about 4 miles. It's a Wednesday. I've got to go to work at the gym at 6, so it's about 12:30 now, so I've got a little bit of time. I thought I'd get out, do a midweek walk, escape work. So yeah, it was a bit of a drive to get here, seeing as I've not long passed. Yeah, we're going to see how things go anyway with this, so yeah, I'll speak to you in a bit. Okay, so this is Stifford pumping station. It still extracts water from the 150-foot borehole in the chalk below. And yeah, so the car park for the visitor centre area that's just there, I think that also houses like the visitor centre, like these buildings here as well. So yeah, so Davy Down is part of the Thames Chase Community Forest, one of 12 such forests in England, covering large areas close to towns and cities. Far from being continuous plantings of trees in the traditional sense, community forests are a conglomeration of wooded landscapes which may include farmland, villages, nature areas and public open spaces. The aim of the community forest is to create easily accessible landscapes for wildlife, work, education and recreation. This is nice here. So this is just the pond we're crossing over, and then the railway bridge is just through there. Oh, and look at this, I'll just zoom in. It's like a sculpture of a heron there. It's really nice. I'm just going to pause here for a moment and tell you a little bit more about the place. Davy Down nestles in the Mardyke Valley among large modern developments to the northeast of Lakeside Shopping Centre. Once used for market gardening, the land was taken over in 1985 as part of the Thames Chase Community Forest when the A13 trunk road was built, thus bringing to an end a long history of farming. The derelict outbuildings were replaced by the Davy Down Visitors car park. From this abandoned farmland, new landscapes are being created. So we're going to see ponds and wetlands, new woodland, hedgerows and areas planted with more than 4,000 trees. There you go. Okay, and this that's a railway viaduct which spans the entire valley. That was built in 1892. The River Mardyke winds its way through the plain of Thurrock from its source 8 miles upstream to the River Thames at Purfleet, meandering through Davy Down, where the valley is dominated by floodplain meadows bounded by ancient woodlands. Until the 15th century, the valley was mainly wet fenland, much like the rest of Essex. The land was drained for agriculture and the course of the river was straightened. Workers began to increase access to the valley and to improve the landscape and wildlife habitat. This will include efforts to return the Channel River to a more natural feature by creating shelves and bays and planting trees and hedgerows. Okay, so we're about to enter Brannet's Wood. It's one of the oldest recorded ancient woodlands in South Essex.